Day 23, week 4. So it looks like our contractor skipping some of the days, I would say. But for now, the inside of this shower is coming along. I would say it looks good for now. Cement board is on here. We got 2 lights, and this side is spackled. Yeah, it seems like we have a long way to go now. Okay, put a drywall over here. Missing piece over here. Day 24 and 25, week 3, week 4 actually. Current project. Alright, so I'm demoing this bathroom, shower, getting all the stuff and putting in the dumpster so that we can call the dumpster to remove. So all the tiles are begun, and we're gonna put a new drywall and new tiles. Over here, there will be no tile. Just gonna paint it. Alright, so basement shower. Spackling is done. It's not dry yet. Gotta put an access panel over here, exhaust fan, and then hydro isolation.
Daddy?
Oh, waterproofing. Day 26 and 27, grand project, week 4. We got another issue with the kitchen again. My contractor's saying that the 24 base inch cabinet is touching the stove. Alright, so everything is almost got it over here in the main shower. As you can see, this one is a thick concrete, and on top of it we got tiles. So pretty much demoing everything here so that we can dump it in the dumpster. Dumpster will be removed tomorrow. Тэгээ үстү даа гэдэг лээ да унд полоно шат багтар гэж. So we're gonna paint this in wrought iron, as we have dark colors over here, and hopefully it pops. So, and everything is in burgundy, orangey color. It's not brown, and right now, and then they wanted to match the color of the brick, but it's actually a different color. So we're gonna do wrought iron. Hopefully we'll get it right for this, and we're gonna replace some of the I forgot what it's called. I believe it was the name of it, the brackets over there, and then reinforce the whole deck and make sure it's all aligned. So we fixed the issue. So the issue was that the door was touching the handle of the oven here. So now what we did, we moved the fridge to this side. We have about 4-inch clearance over here on the left, which we're gonna fill it with the filler, and then this one is just gonna stay like this, and pretty much there's no clearance over here. So, and over here it's gonna go to this base cabinet size, and then all the way to that line over there. So that's a previous mark. We didn't do that, so that's pretty much was handy for us. everything is drawn by the previous installation guys, I would say, and those ones are ours. So everything is going to be aligned over here. Let's see how it turns out. We have a countertop measurement tomorrow, and probably we're going to swing by to tell them how to measure and explain them everything in the process. And here in the basement, we've got some updates as well. Everything is spackled, and electrical wiring which goes to the stove and everything over here with the plumbing is almost done. So we're gonna put 24-inch door over here, 24 by 74. So it's gonna be a little bit small, but that should be sufficient for this place. So we can put 30-inch too, but 24 is fine as well. And the inside of the shower is ready for tiling. And this place is ready for paint, I would say. I have to cover this place up with the drywall. Day 28 and 29, week 4 and 5 grand project. So it looks like all the electrical wiring to the upstairs, and the plumbing is done here to the kitchen area. So drywalling, everything connecting and the wires to the upstairs. So there's no update on here. So my contractor actually been away for 2 days. Okay, so got all the materials for the basement area over here. Everything is in here, so we can start working on it when he comes back. All right, so the bathroom upstairs is fully gutted now. So he wants to keep the tiles and put the tiles on top of tiles over here, and he's assuring that that'll hold up. So let's see. All right, so the plan over here is to paint the ceiling. The walls are good, and we'll be painting the trims because some of the places are damaged, and some of the places are a little bit chipped off, I would say. So we're gonna strip the paint off, and then the clear off the hardwood. We're gonna fix some of the spots, change out the vents, paint the baseboard into probably white, simply white, and then we're gonna paint the trims, doors, redo the whole hardwood floor throughout the house. We want to keep the original color and everything, but looks like there are a lot of damages like throughout the house, so we'll probably paint them, change out all the lighting fixtures, air vents, paint the window trims, fix some of the doors, and we'll keep the same doors. We got attic space upstairs. We'll probably drywall that and keep it as a storage or kids room. It's a small area for kids. It's very small, but it's a decent size for kids. So we did have countertop measurement over here. So the total came up to, I believe, like 1,500. So it'll be installed next week. Looking forward to see it. So this place is gonna be drywalled, covered with the drywall over here. Do the electrical outlets and switch them to sides. Paint the ceiling throughout the house and change out the light fixtures, put new ones, and fix some of the water damaged places and gutters outside, and change out the fireplace cap.